guys, it's Hannah with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you today about this. This is the ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Removal Tool. Now, I have 3 pets that are indoor. I have a dog and 2 cats, and the amount of hair that comes off of those 3 is insane. And so I was so excited when I came across this on Amazon and immediately added it to my cart. This is amazing. So a few of the things that I really like, one is that it is so small. It's not something you have to worry about storing somewhere. It's very easy to store. And another thing is that it's quiet. So this is literally the only sound that it makes. Now, as you can see here, I have a blanket that I love, but my cat has decided it's her favorite spot. And so it was full of hair. And I had tried doing a lint roller, I had tried vacuuming it, and nothing was working. And so I was so excited. I put this to the ultimate test. And as you can see here, you roll back and forth, and that's how it picks up the hair in these bristles right here. And as you can see, it got 95% of that hair off in the first go around. And what other thing that I really like is that it stores the hair so well. So as you can see here, it has this button that when you click it, it opens up this little container basically here where it stores all of the hair that you have picked up. Now, I was shocked at the amount of hair that got in there. I did not think it was that much. So that just shows you how good this is. So if you have pets, if you deal with shedding, all of that stuff, this is gonna be your best friend. I highly recommend it. I use it every day now because it is so easy to use, so nice, and it works. So that is my point of view.